Hello everyone, this is my honest review of the Ring Doorbell. I think pretty much everyone knows what the Ring Doorbell is, but if you've never had one, it's a phenomenal product. Very easy to install, probably took me about 40 minutes altogether to do it. You remove the existing doorbell and you install it here, and then you've got to do some wiring inside. But again, it took only about 40 minutes to do, and I'm not an electrician, I'm just your average home person that can do some random jobs, and I was able to do it. Very good instructions outlined in the Ring manual. But I absolutely love this. This has got a fantastic camera, great clarity and great field of view. From this camera, you can literally see my entire porch. It's extremely wide. It's not very, some cameras are very thin, have a very poor field of view, but nope, this camera right here can literally see my entire porch. You can download the app so you can see everything from your app. My wife can see it on her phone, I can see it on my phone. We can also see it on the iPad and computer, so just tons of capabilities to always know what's going on. I love knowing who's at my door, especially because I've got a wife and 2 young children. Plus, I want to really let you know how much I love this. I was traveling for work one day, and my wife is a teacher in a district about 30 minutes away. Our fence blew down, and my dog got out and came and literally sat right here. She didn't know we weren't home. And my wife was actually able to see this entire event on the Ring, knew my dog was loose, was able to rush home and come save our dog so she didn't run away. Had we not had the Ring and just had the standard doorbell, who knows what would happen? There's no way to know, but because of the Ring, we saw a lifetime feed of what was happening. We saw my dog was out, and we knew it was time to come rescue her and save her. Great product. We've had this for years. It's still holding up. I'm in Houston, Texas. It's hot, it's humid. We see hurricanes, we see all different types of elements, just natural elements, and this continues to hold up. Like I said, phenomenal product. It does come with different faceplates, so you can have different colors depending on, your decor and what you need to match, but overall, 40-minute installation for me, phenomenal product, zero regrets about using this on my home. This is my updated honest review of the Ring and Doorbell. So I really like this product. I did a video initially after we installed it and was very fond of it then, and since that initial review, I've become even more fond of this doorbell. Let me explain a couple reasons why. Installation, I'm not an electrician, I'm not technology savvy, and I was able to install this no problem whatsoever. So installation is very simple. It does come with different color options. We elected to go with this satin nickel just because it matches our front door hardware, but again, different color options are available within the package. Now, in terms of why I really like this, you've got the camera right here, so you can visually see whom is at your door. You can also speak with them because there are speakers built into this. There is also just your simple doorbell button right here. Now, a couple of reasons why we really like this. Once our dog got out of our backyard, ran around, sat right here on the front porch. I was away on a business trip. My wife was at school teaching. Saw our dog when she got that notification on the app that something was at our front door. Realized our dog was out and was able to call the neighbor and get the dog safely back into the backyard until we were able to get home. So very fond. The Ring basically helped save our dog's life. Since then, over the holiday season, it was nice knowing what was on our front porch, making sure that porch pirates who were going through our neighborhood did not take anything of ours. Fortunately, we were very fortunate that nothing ever happened. But again, having complete visibility of whom was coming through. I did see actually on Facebook, people were taking the Ring footages when they had a porch pirate and posting it out there asking if someone knew it. So very cool that you can work together basically as your own criminal investigation unit using the Ring doorbell to try to find out what was happening. Very fond of it. Like I said, installation is a breeze, doesn't take very long. You do not have to be extremely educated on wiring, anything like that. The instruction manual walks you through the complete steps. And if you need additional help, YouTube has a ton of references as well. 100% happy with this purchase. Is absolutely zero regrets about it. I'm so glad that we have it. In fact, since our purchase and our reviews and just telling other people, my mother-in-law has purchased one for herself as well as my own parents. 100% happy. Great product by Ring.